If you're suffering from general anxiety, depression or worries, watch this video and I will show you a quick, simple, easy and free technique to relieve those worries. So stay tuned, and also if you can, like and subscribe for other videos on this channel. Before we go any further, just a quick disclaimer. This is only a demonstration video. It may help you a lot and the technique is easy to use, but please, if you have any issues, please see a doctor or practitioner. EFT is a simple tapping technique where you tap on various points of the body and you say certain phrases. It's easy to do. Just follow along with what I'm doing and we go from there. The first thing to do is to think about your worry, anxiety or depression in your head. Think of a particular thing you're worried about in your head and then rate it on a scale of 0 to 10. With 10 being the worst and 0 being not bad. Keep that in the mind as we tap and just follow along with me. It doesn't matter if you get the technique slightly wrong or you say the words slightly wrong. It doesn't matter, just keep carrying on. Okay, so we start with the karate chop point here. And you tap along with 2 fingers like that. Nice and easy. Just keep tapping, nice slow pace. And just repeat after me. Even though I have this worry, anxiety or depression, I fully accept myself. Even though I have this worry, anxiety or depression, I fully accept myself. Even though I have this worry, anxiety and depression, I completely and totally accept myself anyway. Now top of the head with all 5 fingers. Keep thinking of what you're worried about. This anxiety, above the eyebrow, 2 fingers. This worry, side of the eye, this depression, underneath the eye, this anxiety that I have, underneath the nose, this worry that I have, above the chin, this depression that I have, on the collarbone, breathe in, this worry that I have that I would like to release, underneath the arm, this worry, anxiety or depression that I would like to release now. Okay, it's as simple as that. Think in your mind again on a scale of 0 to 10 what your score is. It's probably gone down slightly, but we want it to go down to 0 or 1. So all we do is repeat the process again. Is that simple? Is that easy? Okay. Even though I still have this worry and anxiety, I completely accept myself. Don't worry if you say the words wrong, doesn't matter. Even though I have this worry or anxiety, I fully accept myself. Even though I have still worry and anxiety, I fully and completely accept myself anyway. This worry that I still have, this anxiety that I still have, this depression that I still have, this worry that I still have, that I would like to release, this anxiety that I would like to release, this depression that I would like to release now, all these worries and anxieties I would like to release now, all these anxieties and worries that I would like to be gone now. Okay. Well, I'm feeling a bit more relaxed just demonstrating this technique. What's your score now? Hopefully it's gone down a bit more. All you need to do is keep repeating and repeating until it goes. So if you still need to get your score down lower, let's do it again. Even though I have some anxiety and depression and worries still left, I fully accept myself. Even though I still have some worries, anxieties and depression still left, I fully accept myself. Even though I still have some worries and anxieties and depression that I'd still like to get rid of, I fully and completely accept myself anyway. These anxieties that I still have left, these worries that I would like to release, this depression that I would like to lessen, these anxieties that I would like to get rid of, these worries that I would like to disappear, this depression that I would like to get rid of, all these anxieties and depression and worries I would like to release now. All these anxieties and worries that I would like to get rid of now. Okay, how are you feeling? What's the score? Probably gone down. If it's not a 0 or a 1, just repeat the technique again and again and again until it goes down. It may take you 2 rounds, 5 rounds. Just keep doing it. Of course, this is a demonstration video, so for serious problems, see a professional. But it's a simple technique and relax you very quickly. It's free to do. And once you remember all the tapping points and get used to saying some of the words, it'll be that easy and you can just relax yourself quite quickly. What I'd like to do at the end of a session is to enforce some positivity. So all you've got to do is do the same thing, but change the words. Okay. I am now feeling positive. I lack worries. And I feel happy. My anxiety's gone. I'm feeling happy. My anxiety's gone and I'm free of worries. I'm feeling happy. My anxiety's gone and I'm feeling really happy. I'm feeling so happy. No more worries. The anxiety is gone. The depression is lifted. I'm feeling great. I'm feeling happy. I'm feeling so relaxed now. I'm feeling wonderful. Okay, that's just a simple demonstration of the EFT technique, EFT, Emotional Freedom Technique. There's lots more videos on this channel and there's lots of great channels out there on YouTube to copy and follow along. But of course, anything serious, go see a professional. Hope you like it. Any questions, leave a comment below and I'll be back next time with another video. Until then, see you later.